Man, it's raining there. Just so I want to rip a little. And look at how beautiful this was, man. It's kind of, not kind of, it's actually a lot easier.
Waiting my turn. I'm the page and the author. Yeah. Late night drive through the city road.
Hello, welcome back to another video. And for today's video, we are going on a short ride to airport. Okay, so there's just one other person joining me, and that's Tanush. He will be on his Tram 400, the Speed 400. Yeah, so I told him I'll meet him near ST Mall by 5. It's I only have 6 minutes left. Hopefully he doesn't have to wait for me. I actually had to clean my bike today. I had scheduled a proper maintenance for my bike, but I'll do it on Wednesday now. And the USB was actually not working. The charging USB wasn't working. So it turns out I'd blown a fuse, which I replaced, and now it's working fine. So I think the fuse blew because of water in the ports. Okay, so we met up. I was on time actually, so I didn't make him wait or anything. So chalo, let's go. There is a lot of traffic actually today. Not a place to stand, man. Genuinely. 29, 30 kilometers something. There's a view spot where I think you can see the runway and all. So I think we're going there. He's wearing full and not. It might also rain, man, because there's clouds, but I'm not sure. I don't think it should rain today, but let's see. If it rains, it rains. But I can't get wet because I have camera gear again. I think there are first signs of rain. No, but I just felt a few drops on my forearm. I'm not sure. That was fun. Man, it's raining there. I don't know if it's visible, but it's actually raining there. Right near that hilltop. It's raining heavy. I don't think we took rain into consideration. Also, the wind suggests the rain is coming towards us. I don't know. By me telling so much, you might think that I am a little worried about the rain or something, but I love the rain. The thing I'm not the thing I'm worried about are my gear. So my phone, my earphones, my camera gear. Okay, I just overtook him. Just saw I want to rip a little. Just because I can. Okay, let's wait for him. He did get stuck in the traffic. ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನಡಿ. Okay, he's saying we don't have to go up the airport, but let's see. Okay, we'll put the map and then continue. So we are on the other side of the road. We took a U-turn. Now we are just going into, yeah, we're just going into some village. Well, not a village. I don't know, man. Everyone said it's a village. I'm saying it's a village. Let's move ahead. Hey, that's the airport, man. That's the runway. Oh, the landing gears are already up. Are we even allowed to be here? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗು, ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ, ಯೂಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಲ್ ರೋಡು. Okay, so even I have put the map, so let's just go. Man, my map reading skills are good, man. Genuinely. I knew it was this road the moment I saw it. Nice road, man. This is all the airport. See, that's the control tower and everything. Ah, there are people, man. Look at that. There's an airplane landing. Yeah, here we are. This is a good place. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹ್ಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬಾ.
Saved the world and vanished in flame, but you left a question, not just a name. A hero isn't the man in the sky, it's the one who stands up when hope runs dry. Never met you, still you taught me. The future's big, not destiny. Let the fortunes fall, then we adapt. The new protector has to be crafted. Sky turn red, but I'm still trying. Even stars burn out while shining. World collapsing, I'm still designing. Every ending needs redefining. I don't chase myths, I become one. Not chosen, self-made from none. If tomorrow never sees the sun, I'll still fight till the code is done.
Ah ha ha ha. What a view, man. We had a lot of fun. We took a lot of pictures. We spoke. Now back home. Man, look at those clouds. Beautiful, man. They're so beautiful. Ah, man, it's Sunday evening, so a lot of people are coming back into Bangalore. So there is going to be traffic. ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ? Why not, man?
No crown, no throne, no one calling me. I walked where the map so faded to me. Learn how to shine from the burn of the sun. Yeah, yeah.
Wasn't necessary, I guess. Okay, so we're going to the airport. I need to turn off maps.
No hand in a name, no savior arrived, so I carry the flame. Night after night, I was carving my way. Stars were the lights when the city turned gray. Footprints vanished, but I kept going. Lost a lot, but I kept growing. They wanted proof. I showed devotion, turned dry land into an ocean. Out of my chest,
I haven't bought her to the airport at all. So this will be the first time she's coming to the airport.
scars that I earned. Every lesson I learned, every past that I burned. They still wait for a hero to come change your fate. I became what I needed. I didn't wait, and I could we my God. Standing on the golden dune, sunset painted on my wounds. No kingdom, I built mine. Every step I walk alone, salted, I'll feel remind. Hear the wind when it calls my name. Through the dust and through the flame, I don't run, I don't hide. I became the other side.
This song and airport rides, man. And the song I'm talking about is I Love You from Moggina Manasi. Bro,
I traded comfort for disciplined nights. While they were sleeping, I sharpened my sights. No shortcuts buried in the sand. Only work shaping who I am. Pressure turned fear the stone. Now the desert feels like home. They laugh when the vision was only in mind. Now they see what persistence can build over time. Every scar just a map of the roads that
Man, look at how beautiful this was, man. How do people get pictures here, man? This is so. ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. Let's see if we can click some pictures here. That's it. We click some good pictures, man. And now we're leaving. That's it. We aren't going to spend time here because let's get home. No, it's not about we can't spend time here. We can, but it's better we move before someone asks us to move first. And secondly, I kind of have other works at home today. So this is just a small ride. What's going on? They're checking each and every cab, right? Drink and drive check. There is a lot of traffic, but it's like moving traffic. It's going 50, 60. That's enough for us to move further. Man, filtering through highway traffic is it's actually a lot easier. Only because everyone are forced to, be in their own lane. The main issue on the highway is headlight form, like the high beams of cars. ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ. Okay, I'm almost home, so I think it's a good time to end the video here. So okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Ride safe. See you in another video. Bye bye.
Lights flicker over empty streets, neon